Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. Roland Sands Designs, RSD. Very cool. Very nice stuff. Proper billet stuff. This is CNC. It weighs a ton because it is actually billet. This is not die-cast crap. Okay, it's all machined with a milling machine. I used to be a machinist. I should know. No CNC then. You'd have to do this all by hand. But very, very cool bit of kit. Very overmade. You could almost crash the bike and this thing wouldn't even move. But see how thick that billet is. Okay. Bolts on is your air filter mounts. Okay, go straight through the back of this, which are hidden as well. You see, you don't even see the bolts. But amazing, amazing quality. And of course, the old Roland Sands logo on everything he does. But very cool. Give you good horsepower as well, because this is a washable K&M. Means you never have to buy another. We have got these on offer on our Black Friday sale. If you're interested, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com. We've also got 90-degree filters. Very cool as well. This is not a Roland Sands or Venturi, Hines, sorry, which is the same guy anyway, the same firm. 90-degree air filter. Comes complete with its own bracket. As you can see here, very cool bit of kit. Okay, we got your grenade air filter. Again, very cool. This is a grenade air filter. Easy to mount. As you can see, bolt straight on, bang, away you go. You want something really cool, in my opinion, this is the only one I've ever seen. This is a carbon fibre drag. I mean, this thing, 600 odd quid retail. We got this half price. But I mean, what a bit of kit. This is real carbon. This ain't no bloody cheap shit. This is a proper job. Okay, you've got your base plate bolts on. You've got your stainless steel holder for the air filter, which is the same as using on the alley caps. This thing here is actually one of these. This allows the air to come in at a much better angle than having a flat plate, okay? And then basically you're going to bolt this on your bike. Just a bolt on. The bolts come through the back and away you go. You've got the coolest looking air filter I think I've ever seen. Anyway, if you're interested in any of this gear, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com. The use like Custom Cruisers, not a lot on it. They're not the customcruisers.eu, very cool. But we are putting stuff on gradually. We are trying to get someone to do it. But the old site.com still got mountains of stuff. And as you can see, we do all the billet wheels, all the pulleys, brakes, brake calipers, etc. If you want to upgrade your bike, give us a call. Thank you.